All right, this is part two of the kitchen cabinet build I was doing months ago. And this video is going to be showing me making the drawers and the doors. Right now I'm breaking down the 1/2 inch plywood for the drawers. More specifically, this is the drawer bottoms right here. And I'm gonna put a rabbet around the edges of the drawer bottom so they will fit into the groove on the drawer sides. You can see right there, you see the rabbet going all the way around. I'm just sanding down because I didn't quite get it down to the exact measurement I needed, but it was just within a tolerance of just doing the sandpaper. And like I said, I'm using the sandpaper because I just needed to remove very small amounts. And I used the locking joint here for the drawers. And dry fitted them all together, make sure they fit good. And now I'm gluing them up. Checking for square, getting all the glue squeeze out. And here I am cutting the frames for the doors. Setting up the stop block so I can make nice consistent cuts. These are the rails for the doors, and I'll come back and do the stiles. Now I'm putting a groove in the frame for the panel to fit into. And I concocted a little jig here to get my 45-degree miters even while I glue it up and put the panels inside. And here I'm putting in the using the Kreg jig for the hinges. And battery ran out. I had to get a new battery. This jig does make it much simpler to put these hinges in. First, you put in those two little holes for where the screws will go in to hold the hinges in, and this big bit right here, this Forstner bit, cuts it just deep enough so the hinge will sit inside of it. And I had to go back because I forgot to put the two small screws. With that jig, putting these hinges in is just as simple as apple pie. It's too easy. Almost makes me look like I'm a professional. Time for the drawer slides, using side mounted ones, just getting everything lined up where it needs to be. I don't really do anything special here, probably not really showing you anything that you haven't seen before. Excuse my head being in the way. Now for the drawer fronts, Just getting everything lined up here, getting it clamped in place so I can tack it in place. And this is pretty much gonna wrap it all up. My aunt and uncle are gonna do the painting on this. Is for their kitchen, and they're gonna do all the painting and everything. And here in a few, I'm gonna show you a few pictures of the finished product. Again, this is the first time I've ever done any kitchen cabinets or anything, so I feel like I did a pretty good job. Learned a lot of stuff, know what to do better next time. And here comes the pictures. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, whatever. Thanks a lot.